Hello. In this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on Oukitel OT11. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store and then click on search and type in Wally AI and click search. And now click install. Now click open. And then click got it and click on this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. Now click on AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then go back. Now go back again and now you can click start, and as you can see, here's my Chat GPT widget and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.